Good day. So, this day, what we're going to do or what we're going to learn is about multiplying numbers. Though this is so easy for those who memorize the multiplication table. But there's another way of multiplying numbers, even if 4 or 5 digit or more. Well, it won't matter. There's another technique. Well, actually, this is how the Japanese perform multiplications. Well, are you now ready? Well, here we go. So, say for example, if we're going to multiply 241 times 15. Now, this would be very difficult for those children or students who don't know multiplication or the multiplication table and the rest of the process that we had. All right, but don't you worry. I'll give you another way, just like with the Japanese. So here. Now these numbers, 241 times 15, has two factors. The first factor would be 241, and it has three digits, 2, 4, and 1. Now what we're going to do here is, in the digit 2, we are going to draw two lines. While in the digit 4, we're going to draw four lines. And lastly, on the digit 1, we are going to draw one line. As you can see, these are all horizontal lines. Now for our next factor, which is 15, it has two digits. So what we're going to do here, in the digit 1, we're going to draw a vertical line, one vertical line. Next, for our digit 5, we are going to draw 5 vertical lines. Now, this is so important that you'll have to identify which one is the horizontal and which one is the vertical. Why? Because we're going to use this in the next step. So here, what we're going to do in the next step is we're going to group. Now, say for example, this one. This is our first group. Now, in this group, there are intersections of the horizontal and vertical line. So, let's count the intersections. Say here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, there are 5 intersections. Now, what about on our next group? So, our next group would be here. Okay, so again, we will count the intersections that are within in this group. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So there are 21 intersections in this group. Next, so let's form now the third group, and this would be our third group. So again, we'll count the intersections. Say here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So in this group, there are 14 intersections. But as you can see, in the second and the third group, there are two digits, right? But what we're going to do is we only have to take one digit, and that is the ones digit. In the second group, our ones digit is 1. So what we're going to do with the tens digit? So we're going to cancel the tens digit and we will add it to the third group. So instead of 14, we will add it by 2, so that becomes 16. Okay, now for our last group, we will have this, and then we have the intersections 1 and 2. So there are only two intersections. And again, We will cancel 1 on the third group because we only have to take the ones digit and that is 6. So what we're going to do with the tens digit in the third group, we will add it to 2. So that is 2 plus 1 is 3. Then we have already our answer. Okay, our answer would be 3. Alright, so this is 3 and that should be written there. Next, our next answer or next digit of our answer is 6 and that should be written beside 3. Next would be 1 and that should be written there. Okay. And lastly, we have 5 and it should be written there. All right. So therefore, our answer would be 3,615. Easy, right? Well, you can practice on your own and you may have 4 or 5 digit if you want. Just follow the steps. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so excited for you. Okay. So this is Persidita Benemerito. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something out of this. Okay. So God bless us all. In Jesus Christ's name. See you next time. Bye.